How to fix Ocenaudio crashing or freezing? First of all, make sure you are using the latest version of Ocenaudio. Sometimes, older version can have bugs that cause crashes or freezing issues. To do this, simply visit the official Ocenaudio website and check if there's a newer update available. Updating your software can often resolve many common issues. Next, check your system's compatibility. Ensure your operating system meets the minimum requirements for running Ocenaudio. If your system doesn't meet the requirements, the software might struggle, leading to crashes or freezing. Third, try running Ocenaudio as an administrator. Right-click the Ocenaudio shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the software the necessary permission to function smoothly, especially if there are permission-related issues causing the freeze. Another important step is to check your plugins. Some plugins might not be compatible with the latest version of Ocenaudio, causing it to freeze or crash. Disable or remove any unnecessary plugins and see if the issue persists. If you still experience problems, consider reinstalling Ocenaudio. Uninstall the software completely, restart your computer, and then reinstall it from the official website. This can help resolve any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the problem. You can also send the crash report to Ocenaudio's support team. When Ocenaudio crashes, it typically gives you the option to send a report. This helps the development team understand the issue and improve the software in future updates. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Ocenaudio crashing or freezing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.